Where are you going now? You eat some apple?
Apple, apple, apple. Yeah.
Now what?
Yeah.
And your carrot? Hey, Cole. What's this? Is that a monkey? That's a monkey. Say eat. Do you give that monkey a hug? No, of course not. You want to give that? Mommy's going to give that monkey a hug. Give that monkey a hug? You can give that monkey a big hug. There's a hug with noises. Do you have a kiss for that monkey? No kisses? You're too busy eating your carrot.
Boo. Boo.
Boo.